Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to add a scene on Invideo. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to go on the project that we want to edit. So let's say for example that we want to add another scene in this video. So the first example that we can do is to duplicate this scene right here. So if you click duplicate, we now have added another scene on the video. But if you want to add your own customizable scene, all we have to do is to go here on the editor page. So just click it on the top screen and then scroll down on the bottom right corner, and then you will see this add scene button. After that, once you click it, you will have two choices, which is blank scene, and then you can choose from template. So let's say for example that we want to use a template. So let's click this one right here, and then this page will pop up right here so that you can choose your own scene for your own video. And let's say for example that we want to edit this template right here. So all we have to do is to click it and then just add the page that you want to add. So let's say for example that we want to add this one right here. So let's just click it, and then it will now be added to your timeline. So as you can see right there, we now have added it. And if we play the video, this is what it looks like. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.